Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a video on the best beauty products of 2017. And by the way guys, happy 2018. I can't believe it is already a new year. If you guys didn't notice in my last videos, I totally chopped my hair, so you know, new year, new me, you know. But yeah, totally chopped my hair for the new year and everything, and yeah, I'm just hoping that this year is going to be a really good year, and I hope it's going to be a good year for you guys too. So of course in this video I'm going to be talking about the top dog makeup products in 2017 and just the products that I really just, you know, kind of used and abused in 2017. So yeah, I wanted to make this kind of like a get ready with me style, just because I think it's a little bit more interesting than me just sitting here and talking about makeup products. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so everyone is starting off with primers, but I honestly don't really have a primer that I really love or anything like that. I actually really love the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, the little spray. I love that for primer and setting spray. That's probably like my ultimate favorite one. But I ran out and I don't have any, but just know that that is my absolute favorite one. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into foundation. So definitely hands down my favorite foundation of this year would definitely have to be the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is just so awesome. It's definitely full coverage. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin. It lasts for a long time and it kind of has like a matte finish, which is a plus for me, but it doesn't claim to be matte. It claims to be I think like suitable for all skin types, and it's photo approved, and honestly I love this foundation. It's seriously so good, and if you haven't tried this out, I really recommend trying it out. I really think that it would work for all skin types, and I think pretty much anyone would love this. Plus it's only like $5, you guys. You gotta try it.
So yeah, definitely my favorite foundation of 2017, and this one is a little bit dark for me. This is in the shade Classic Beige, so I'm just gonna mix it with a little bit of the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white, and yeah, just kind of mix it on the back of my hand, and then I will start applying it.
Just love this foundation, so pretty. So now that I've got that on, definitely my most used concealer of this year is for sure the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is also so good. I really enjoy this one. I have it in the shade Light Ivory, and it's just a really nice concealer. It has great coverage. I love the consistency of it. I don't really love the applicator because I feel like not much comes out on the brush when you try to apply it, but that's okay, no biggie. I still love the concealer itself. Just a really nice concealer overall. But I have really been loving the new Colourpop concealer. That is seriously so good, you guys. I have really been enjoying that one. I didn't mention it in this video because I just started using it, so that would kind of be like a lie if I had mentioned it. And also, please excuse my voice. I got sick again, believe it or not. Like, okay, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but the coverage of, you know, the foundation and everything and the concealer is just so nice, and it just has a really nice finish to the face, and you know, I just love it. So now onto setting powders. This one I have a little bit of a hard time too because I love my Coty Airspun, like I always use this, but recently I have not been using it. I've been using the newer Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, so I would say this is like one of my favorite discoveries of 2017, but I haven't been using it for the whole time. But if I were to choose, I would definitely choose the Maybelline Fit Me over the Coty Airspun powder, just because this one really like smooths and blurs out my pores like no other. So hopefully you guys don't hate me for that, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use this powder just because it is the morning time right now and I do want my makeup to, you know, look good throughout the day and everything. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. I just really love this powder, this foundation, everything, this whole combo. Like seriously, whenever I have or whenever I wear all these products together, I just have a really good makeup day, and that's what it's all about. You gotta find the stuff that works for you. If you guys have not tried this powder out, you totally need to try it out. It's really, really good. I can't remember how much it was. I want to say it was around like maybe like $8 or $10, like maybe $9.99 or something like that. So it's really not that expensive. I really recommend trying this powder out, you guys. I mean, you guys definitely can't tell in the camera, but my goodness, everything is just like smoothed out from the powder. Like, this powder actually is magical. It just, I don't know, I feel like it just bronzes up your face so beautifully, and I love the formula of it and everything. So as for blushes, I have been using the NYX blushes a lot, and I love these. They're so affordable. I want to say they're like $5 or something, and this is in the shade Mauve and Out. And it's just, it's so pretty, just a great kind of like everyday color. And like I said, the formula is just so good, and they're super pigmented, and they have so many shades to choose from too. So I have just been loving these blushes. So as far as highlighters go, I have a few things here because I just can't choose. I'm so indecisive. This one I haven't been using for very long, just for a few months. But I mean, I think that's a decent amount of time. I mean, I did discover it in 2017. So it's the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight, and this is in the shade 100 Molten Gold. And it is just gorgeous. Like, I love this highlight. So freaking pretty. Honestly, it's the best highlight at the drugstore, hands down. So I just wanted to mention that because I love that one, but I don't know if that really counts as best beauty products of 2017. Like, I don't know. Do I have to have used it for like the whole year, or I don't know. I can make up my own rules, right? Anyway, the other two would definitely have to be from the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is in the this is the Glow Kit That Glow. I love mixing Sunburst, Bubbly, and Dripping in Gold. Those are just so pretty. Ugh, they're just honestly so gorgeous on the face. And the other one I have just loved is actually the Nicole Gueriero highlighting palette from ABH as well, in the shade Forever Young and Glow Getter. These two are some of my favorites in the palette. So pretty. So yeah, these are definitely the highlights that I've gravitated towards the most this year. And honestly, the Maybelline Master Chrome is probably like my favorite discovery, like highlight discovery of the year. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Okay, so if you guys have not seen me use this on my channel yet, honestly, just wait. You're gonna be shook. This is so good. Yes. Do you guys see that? So good. Hands down, the best discovery for a highlighter in 2017. I mean, seriously, you can't deny that that's a good highlight. Like, oh, one of the best ever. Drugstore or high-end. It's a good highlight. No denying it. Alright, so for eyeshadow in 2017, this was not hard for me to pick out at all. It definitely has to be any of the Colourpop palettes. Any of the little palettes, or for sure their single eyeshadows like this. Oh my god. Seriously, if you guys have not tried these, please try them. They're so cheap and they're so freaking good. Like, I can't get enough of Colourpop palettes, honestly. I definitely like loaded up on Colourpop eyeshadows this year, or 2017. Alright, so the first shadow I'm gonna go in with is this shade right here, and this is the shade Distressed. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid, just so I can have like a blank canvas to start with. Okay, next eyeshadow I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. This one's called Golden Gate Bridge. I think this came out of one of the Sonia Esben collaboration palettes, the one that comes with like four or five of them. I think just 4. Yeah, so I'm just going to use that kind of like as a transition shade. And it's a super light transition, but it kind of helps just like blend everything together. Next shade I'm going to use is called Freckles right here, and I think this is from the I Love Santa E palettes. So I'm just going to take that through the crease as well. This is just going to kind of deepen it up a little bit. So next shade I'm going to take is Noche. This is also from the I Love Santa E collection. And I'm just going to use that shade to kind of deepen up the crease further.
And I'm using the Wet n Wild crease brush, which is, by the way, only 99 cents. So, girl, go get you one if you don't have one yet.
Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to use the shade Ringer. Just a nice kind of beigey, sparkly shade. I want to say this is from the High Maintenance palettes. But yeah, just going to pop that on my finger and then pop that on the lid. I really love these shadows. So on the lower lash line, I'm going to take Freckles again and just start smoking out the lash line. Now that I have that shade down, I'm going to go ahead and use Noche again and also put that on my lower lash line. So another kind of eyeshadow thing I have been obsessed with this year are these Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter eyeshadows. This one is in the shade Kitten Karma, and oh my god, you guys, you need these in your life. If you love glitter, here it is right here. Oh my god, you just need that. Like, look at that sheen, that shine. Woo! Girl, so good. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit of that on the lids. And what's great about this is that you can use, you know, a little bit, or you can really like pack it on. Oh, I just love this stuff. It's so, so pretty. So as far as mascara goes, I will always love the Covergirl Lash Blast Mascara. This has been my favorite for so many years, and it always will be. So this is definitely the winner for 2017. I really need to get some brows on because I'm looking a little crazy. So as for brows, this was kind of hard to choose because I really kind of hop back and forth with my brow products. But I would have to say that I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Kabrow the most this year in 2017. Or last year in 2017. So for this particular look, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kabrow. And you all know I cannot do my brows on camera, so I'm gonna go do those really quick and I will be right back. Alright, so brows are on, and of course for brow gel, this takes the cake, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is what I always use to set my brows. It just works really good. It's like kind of like hairspray for your brows. It just really keeps them in place, you know, and just does what it's supposed to do. Alright, we are just about done with this tutorial. So for setting sprays, as I said before, the Smashbox Primer Water / setting spray is my favorite. But like I said, I don't have that with me right now, so I'm just going to use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, which this one is pretty good, and I like this one. But I just really like the Smashbox one a little bit more. But this one is actually really good, and of course affordable. And last but not least, lippies. Okay, so definitely in 2017, or honestly like any day, I always gravitate towards a nude lipstick, and I always go to the Kylie Cosmetics Koko K. This is just one of my favorite colors ever. It's just a really pretty nude, and yeah, just definitely one of my most used lipsticks. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and apply it. And of course, I love the lip liner that goes with this as well. I'm just a little too lazy to line my lips right now, so I'm not gonna do that today. So yeah, for sure, one of my fave lip colors ever. And if I ever want to lighten this lip up a little bit and kind of have a more glossy look rather than a matte liquid lip, I go in with the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Fairy Floss. And this is just a super pretty, like, pale nude color, and I just love it. I'm just going to apply this over the Koko K. So that is what the fairy floss looks like over Koko K, and I just really like it. I think it's super pretty, and I feel like this combo is just like the perfect kind of nude lip combo. And yeah, so this is pretty much the finished look for everything that I have loved in the year of 2017. These were all the products that I just absolutely adored, and I still continue to adore them. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know down below what your favorite products were of the year of 2017. I would love to know. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I need to go ahead and cook some lunch for myself. I am starving. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!